Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I will show you how to align text box right in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to align text box right in this document. Firstly we insert a text box. Go to the insert menu, then click text box drop down menu, and here we can see here many text box. We select a text box. I select the facet white. Now we can see here we insert a text box. Now we want to align this text box right. Click the text box and go to the format menu, then click align option and select align right, and we can see here we align this text box right very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.